I always have something before my video, so I have to think of what I'm gonna. What should I put before my video?
What do you mean, like
if you ever watch my video at the beginning, I'm always talking about something at the beginning. Ha! I'll use this. Let's go. YouTube, it's your boy King Smooth, and I am back. And before I get into the video that I have for you today, first, if you have not seen the last video that I did, check it out. I did a reaction video to Walk It Like I Talk It with the homie Chris. It was fire. I told you I'm doing new and different things. Go ahead and check that out. The link is down below. Second, if you're not subscribed to the Instagram, bro, I am posting fire pictures over there because I'm not just a YouTuber, I'm also a photographer. So if you have not checked out my Instagram, go check that out. Please go ahead and hit me with a follow. I can hit you up with pictures also. I do. Oh, my battery about to die. But I am back, and like I was saying before, I do photographs and I also do videos. So if you need me with videos, edits, or photos, let me know down in the comments below, or follow me on Instagram and DM me there. I also have my phone number and my email so y'all can hit me up for prices and inquiries. Let me know what y'all want. I got y'all. But anyways, let's get into the video. But wait, okay. I know I don't always. Sometimes I say it, sometimes I don't because I just forget. But I need to let y'all know, bro. If you're not subscribed, bro, what are you doing? You're watching the video not subscribed, bro? Like, what's going on? Somebody let me know why you're not subscribed. If you have a good reason for not being subscribed, put it down in the comment section below. But if you're not, subscribe, bro. Come on, it's free, it's easy. Oh yeah, pause the video right now, scroll down, and subscribe. Thank you. How hard was that? Thank you. But anyways, let's get to the video, man. So today on the channel I have package and another package. We're gonna start with the smallest one first. We're gonna go ahead and get out with this white package that we got on here. We're gonna start with this one first. This is a shirt from Adidas.com. I ordered it, and like I told y'all on that last sneaker video where I talked about all the shoes that were coming out this month. Hang on, let me open this.
That's true, that right. She sippin' more wet and yeah, I swear it get her wetter. My Louboutins new, so my bottom stays redder. No, I'm not on ride, but I'm all up.
So now that I got that out of the package, the struggle I have for y'all, I have the Adidas Q, and basically what this is, I didn't know it's the Pharrell obviously, but this whole like collection, the shoe that I showed you, the Holly shoe that they had on Adidas, this is obviously part of this whole Indian celebration that they have, and what Pharrell decided to do is make a whole collection on it. So I went ahead and got the shirt and the shoes. Like I told y'all I was coming up on the shoe and the shirt collection because I told y'all I wanted this, and I went ahead and got the red one in an extra large. And this is the shirt, and obviously, like you can tell, it's like a tie-dye kind of overwash Adidas. Y'all will be able to tell in the overlays that I'm showing you right now of the shirt. It's really nice material. This is obviously like that Adidas soccer jersey that they have, and on the back in like a faded kind of material, and it's like printed on, but it's that 3D material, so you can feel it. It says Hue 2018 3, just kind of like an element phase. And basically, this is a nice Adidas shirt. I told you I like that Pharrell did this like collab, and I didn't know at first that it was for an Indian celebration. Like I didn't know what Holly was. Like I'm not gonna lie and say, oh yeah, I celebrate Holly. Like Holly, you know, I'm really about it. Nah, I didn't know. I looked it up and I saw that this was about, and it's really great. It's about peace, love, positivity, and it's just a whole day dedicated to that. And I mean, it's really interesting when you go and look it up and read about it. I encourage people to know when they buy stuff what it's about. So like I said, this Adidas shirt, and it was actually only $25. They still have a lot of colors on site. They have a lot of the shoes on site too. So if you go look, you sure definitely can grab a pair. I'll leave the link down in the description to Adidas.com to go ahead and get a shirt and the shoes in whatever color. I think they had red, green, yellow, blue, and white. While I was on there, they also had a charcoal and a tan pair that aren't part of the Holly pack, but they were on sale. Actually, they didn't have my size. So I went ahead and got the red one like I told y'all. But anyways, let's get into the shoes because I know that's what y'all really want to see, bro. So we're going to get into the first pair, which isn't the Pharrell one. We're going to get into another pair that I ordered. Okay, next I have, and before I get into this video, I know if y'all see me wiping the sweat with, you know, my preacher's cloth over here, it's because really, I just got these lights, if y'all can't tell, and it's kind of hot. I'm not used to, you know, filming in front of them yet, so it's kind of hot. I'm a little sweaty, you know, it's a little too hot in the Jordan jersey too, so if y'all see me, you know, wipe it off with the preacher's cloth, that's why. I'm not trying to sweat in front of y'all. It's just, it's hot, bro. It's hot. But anyways, this shoe that I have right here, this may come from a brand that y'all don't really know. This is from Saucony. Now Saucony makes a lot of runners, and they make a lot of like weird shoes. Like they have great collabs. If you've ever seen some of the YouTubers that got their collab with Saucony, those shoes were amazing. Shout out to Bullet RC, even though I didn't get a pair. His shoes were amazing. Tony D Too Wild, Buckets, a lot of everybody else who got their pair. But their shoes are more like runners. They're more on the European side of things, and they're kind of making their way into streetwear. But they're not as super big as, you know, like Nike or even like smaller ones like Reebok and stuff like, well, not small, but stuff that's not as popular, Reebok and things like that. They're not there yet, but they are there and they've been around for a long time. So without me talking, let's get into the package.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vents on my shoes. I pop up, put it out loose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up.
Okay, so now that I have this, is there anything? No, nothing that I need in there. You know, I'm tired of these companies not sending me stickers, bro. I want the box logos. But anyways, this is the box that they come in. I also have another pair of Sauconys. I don't want to show them to you because those are my beater pairs. Like, they're like the tan ones. I had them about a year. I mean, the things is gone. Like, I needed a new pair, so shout out to Saucony for sending me a pair. These are size 13. I did get the blue, and boy, I thought these were green for a second. I was finna be mad. But I did get the blue model, and it's like a tan, or not tan, gray and white. The upper is all like kind of suede. It's like it's not a super nice suede, but it is a really nice like refurbished suede. And then the nylon, and then you have like this rubber, I guess, and then the insole, obviously they have the paper inside, the white outsole, and it mixes into the gray, and then you have the black bottom sole. I think that this is the Shadow 900 model, if I'm not wrong. I'll correct that. There should be like some words here or something if I'm wrong, but this should be the Shadow 900 model. I'll leave a link down to this one also. This shoe, like you can see in the overlay, is really nice, and don't worry, at the end of this video there will be an on foot of both sneakers so you can see what they look like with different kinds of pants, sweatpants, track pants, jeans, and things like that. That way, if you want to buy a pair, you know what they look like on your feet. You know if they're gonna look really good with a certain type of pants that you like to wear, because your style may be different than mine. So I'm gonna try them with different pants so that you can see what they look like. But this shoe overall, I think they're really comfortable. Like I told you, I had another pair. They were my beater pair for a really long time. I mean, like, I was rocking them joints. Like, whenever I just needed a shoe to just throw on, like, I was rocking them joints, and they look nice. They look nice beat up. Like, after a while, the suede still looks really good on them, and you can clean them up, and they just look really good. I mean, Saucony has a really solid brand, really solid pair of shoes, and they have a really good amount of shoes for a certain amount of price. These shoes were actually only, I think, $80, and then they had a sale. If you're a student, bro, or if you're in the military, or if you're a teacher, they give discounts. So I got my student discount, obviously, and I went ahead and got them, and they got them for $56, bro. 56 for a nice little runner. These might be on the back to school when school starts up throughout the summer. This might be on the back to school shoe, because I know some of y'all looking for the shoes under $100, bro, because everybody can't afford super expensive shoes. So this model right here, Saucony, any of their models ranging from the 900 to the 800 to the Shadows, anything, all of them, mostly except for one pair, are under $100, bro. So this is obviously a great brand, great line to go with. And like I said, y'all see the on foot later on and see what they look like on feet. Into the next pair. Alright, so I have the last pair right here, the Adidas Pharrell model. I know this is what y'all are looking for. This is what y'all wanted me to get into. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the package, watch the little fast forward magic of YouTube so you don't have to see me struggle. Let's get it.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me.
And here they are. Here they are right here, the Adidas. Y'all see the box, bro. Y'all see it. Hang on, let me get up just a little bit closer so y'all can see it. Just to the, look at that box, boy. Look at that. Man, ooh, I came out dark. Anyways, let's take a look at the shoe inside. Go ahead and get that. Ooh, this gonna look, y'all not ready for the summer fit, man. Here we are right here, man. Size 13, the tennis Pharrell Hue Holly pack. Now, like I told y'all, this is obviously the tie-dye color. Like, it looks like a tie-dye kind of faded wash on the front and on the sides. It's a nice red, but it's not super bright, so you can wear it with just maybe like a white t-shirt or a red t-shirt. Even this little jersey that I got on, it's some nice sweat shorts. This shoe, like I said, it's gonna be an on foot of both shoes, so you'll be able to see what this looks like with jeans. And I feel like I saw a video of the guy said that they look good with loose jeans and tight jeans, so you don't have to worry about if you don't always wear skinny denim. You can wear other types of denim with this. You can wear track pants. And I mean, this shoe just, it's comfortable. I mean, you feel, look at this outsole on the bottom. It's not boost, but I mean, it just looks comfortable. The shoe overall is a nice little cloth feel. I like this upper, and then obviously the back tab, the Pharrell. You got the front Pharrell. And I mean, hang on, let me get y'all a closer look at this shoe. I'm gonna talk in the background. Y'all can see the closer view. And just right here, I mean, look at the shoe. Watch the camera adjust to it. Maybe just get a little bit in there. Come on, the camera, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. It just might focus. nice. There we go. All right, and as y'all can see, look at this shoe right here, man. Now look at the nice little, just the nice little tie-dye. I know the shoe is a little big because it's, you know, the size 13, but as you can see, it comes with the extra pair of laces, so you can switch out the red, and I might do that in the on foot just so y'all can see what the difference is in the red and white laces. I'll go ahead and lace them up with both. And I mean, just look at the shoe, man. I mean, the shoe is nice. It's a nice little soft canvas shoe, and even on the inside right here, let me take out this, the outsole, you can see, I don't know if you can see inside. Here, let me take the outsole out for y'all. See if I can get this out. This nice little outsole right here, and it actually tells you each part of like your foot and where that is affecting your body, so you know what's happening when you walk. And so I think that with the shoe, Pharrell wanted to do that so that you know what's going on in your body when you're walking around and when you're moving. But let me switch up the angle so we can get back to this. So like I was saying before, man, this right here, I mean, the Saucony shoe is obviously an amazing shoe, but I mean, this one right here, I'm gonna have to pull out to start on some people, man. I mean, like, you know, it's a basic shoe, but it's gonna turn heads. It's gonna break necks, bro. I'm sorry. Some of y'all might hate because y'all not rocking with the tennis shoe. Some of y'all might hate because you don't like Pharrell. You don't like the shoe. It's not a Jordan. It's not a retro. But I mean, this shoe breaks necks, bro. Y'all can't lie and say it doesn't. But this is going to be one of my shoes, top shoes for 2018, no doubt. It will be on the list at the end of the year. Stay tuned for that video. And that is going to be it on this shoe. Let me go ahead and wrap up the video for y'all today. But anyways, that is going to be it for today's videos. Thanks for watching. I told y'all I'm gonna come with new things, so hopefully there's gonna be some more challenge videos, and there's gonna be a new skit that I've been writing. Y'all will see new things coming in the future. I just wanted to show y'all what I got and went ahead and ordered, but show y'all that you can buy different types of things, different kind of shoes that may not be popping or on the market right now, that you can turn and make people break necks and be like, bro, the shoe is looking clean on your feet, bro. And it doesn't always have to be an N&D or a new retro Jordan for people to just be like, dang, bro, those are fire. So I just want to let y'all know that, let y'all see that there are other things out there, other options that aren't as expensive as, you know, the some stuff that's on the market. Because shoes out here, $250, $200, they nice, but I mean, your wallet hurting, bruh. Your wallet hurting. But anyway, let me get out of my feelings about my wallet and stuff like that. This has been your boy King Smooth. Hang on, let me grab the shoes, because I got two shoes to do it with me today. It has been your boy King Smooth, and I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all be breezy, stay smooth. Peace, man.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you woke up this morning, nigga, you winning. For real. Yeah. I got a big amount, I took a different route. I am the pick of the little. I was a juvie, it gave me community. I had to pick up some little. I want it easy, please do not tease me. I want my Yeezy to journal. This is the season. I got.
Make it be successful. Not like Drake, but this is special. Ego is placed on the pedestal. Sometimes I feel I'm incredible. Nowadays these girls take me for a meal, thinking that I'm edible. You can bite into my heart, give them all life out the dark. My first check, I dropped the ball so hard, shopping that.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, 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 no. Don't hold no ring.
Yeah. Good against Minute.
Look, I got a big amount. I think I'm the biggest out. Got hits and I ain't even put them out. Lit and you can't even put it out. Got the Billboard melodies, rapping something I do on the side. Crossed over to the other side, and I didn't even have to die. Got the money and I never show it. Let a nigga try and play heroic. Michael Jackson talking to me in my dreams, and he say you bad and you know it. Better Shimon on my check then. I'm a J Prince investment. Niggas love to talk reckless. They see me like best friend.
Switching on you when you graduate. Just call me with my phone dead. Sneak this when the beat drop. We was chillin' in the bus shop. Ain't no need for us to eavesdrop. Wait, you ain't who without a tank top. Say I changed from the real, but I'm a sure from a kid. Jewelry cost by the grip. Didn't like it, but I'm not rich. And my mama callin' no test. It's just the way my life is, yeah. Remember days on the road, yeah. Backseat going home. CD player headphones to beat the rain and the snow. Now I'm out on my own. Got love.
That's true. That right. She sippin' more wet and yeah, I swear it get her wetter. My Louboutins new, so my bottom stays redder. No, I'm not on ride, but I'm all up on my cheddar. Just talked to your homie, she said we should be together. Gabby Brand was so insane that I made her my header. If she ever call my phone, you know I got a jetter. But I like that girl too much, I wish I never met her. Hello.
I was listening to this song.